Casey Anthony heads back to court tomorrow.
This time for 3 days of so-called Frye hearings.
Yeah, West 2's Amanda Ober joins us now to explain what those Frye hearings are all about.
The hearings set to take place over the next 3 days are important ones. The prosecution wants to use its experts to try and prove that there was a dead body in Casey Anthony's car. But the defense will spend the next few days trying to convince the judge that evidence is based on bad science. One of the latest motions filed by Casey Anthony's defense team questions whether a report written by Dr. David Hall, a forensic botanist, is based on legitimate science. Last week, Judge Belvin Perry ruled Hall would be allowed to give his opinion about how long Kaylee Anthony's body had been in the woods. But now the defense is asking that evidence be included in a series of Frye hearings which kick off Wednesday. Criminal defense attorney Richard Hornsby explains, during a Frye hearing, the judge determines whether or not the testimony to be given is based on generally accepted scientific principles. If not, that evidence could be thrown out.
And you look at whether or not the principles they rely upon in engaging in those methods are accepted by the scientific community.
In Casey's case, Frye hearings have been requested by the defense to try and exclude a myriad of evidence. The list includes a report from a crime lab in Tennessee that claims chemical compounds consistent with human decomposition and vaporized chloroform were found in the trunk of Casey's car. Hornsby thinks the defense may successfully argue that the database of chemicals the Tennessee lab used to support its findings is a secretive database that is not widely accepted.
The hallmark question is going to be has it ever been duplicated within the scientific community? And the defense is going to say, Judge, no other scientists have ever had access to this database.
Now, you may wonder, why should the judge make a decision about the credibility of evidence before the trial? Don't the lawyers do that during their questioning? Well, the purpose of a Frye hearing is not to determine the validity of testimony, but simply to keep bad science or fringe theories from being introduced in court and wasting everyone's time. Amanda Ober reporting, West 2 News.